Hi, so today I'm opening a clipper and trimmer cordless groom set. I ordered from WAHL.co.uk. So it got three types of, let's open this. So it got beard in it, it got clipper and detail trimmer. So let's open this. Okay. Quite nice packing from WAHL. So it's a very nice box. Oh, it's very nice for a gift as well, if you want to give someone. So let me see the box. Anything in there? No, it's just a packing there. So let me open it. Okay, I have to take this cover off as well. Bit of a tape here. Yeah. Okay. So it's like a mini briefcase. Okay, so let's open this. Alright, so it got attachments and chrome, and I believe there's 16 attachments to it. There's some more attachments there. Altogether I believe 16 of them. Then there's a beard trimmer, that's for hair I believe. Quite nice. And there's a scissor as well here. Then this one is for beard, small one, quite nice, packed. And there's a charger. It's a cordless. It's got battery life for 60 minutes. That's the detailed trimmer I believe for nose and ear. Okay, and there's some booklets from WAHL. So it's quite nice packaging, and their battery life is 60 minutes if you charge them. So I'm gonna try this today. If you guys want this, I'll put a link in description. You can order directly from wahls.co.uk, and it's I believe it's $69.99. It's on offer now at the moment. It's only £26. So it's quite a bargain. I hope you like the video. I do like the box. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Bye.